Hello everyone, I'm Lily. Today I want to tell you a simple story about something we all do, going to the supermarket. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Ready? Let's go. Usually, I go to the supermarket about 1 or 2 times each week. It's quite close to my home, so I like walking there. Before I leave, I always take my shopping bag with me. It makes carrying things much easier. When I enter the supermarket, I grab a basket. The place is big, clean, and full of bright lights. There are so many shelves, all filled with different foods and drinks. First, I walk to the fruit and vegetable section. This is my favorite part. I pick some fresh red apples. Then I choose bananas and a few oranges. I also take some green vegetables like lettuce and cucumbers. Everything goes into my basket. Next, I move to the bread section. There is fresh bread in warm baskets. It smells so good. I choose a small loaf of bread and carefully place it in my basket. After that, I go to the dairy section. Here, I take a bottle of milk and some eggs. Sometimes I buy cheese or yogurt, but today I keep it simple. Then I visit the meat section. I pick some chicken for dinner and add it to my basket. Before I finish, I stop by the snack section. I see cookies, chips, and chocolate. I decide to take a small pack of cookies, just a little treat for myself. Now my basket is full, so I go to the cashier. I place all my items on the counter. The cashier scans them one by one and tells me the total price. I pay using my card. Then I get my receipt. I pack everything into my bag, smile, and say, "Thank you." The cashier smiles back and says, "Goodbye." I leave the supermarket and walk home slowly. My bag is a bit heavy now, but I feel satisfied. At home, I put everything in the kitchen. The fruits go into a bowl on the table. The milk and eggs go into the fridge. The bread stays on the counter. I wash the vegetables and put them away. Now everything is ready for cooking and eating. Going to the supermarket is a simple task, but it is very important. It helps me take care of myself and my home. I like choosing fresh and healthy food. Sometimes the store is busy, but I still enjoy the experience. So that was my supermarket trip. What about you? Do you go shopping every week? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.